I am the reason OpenAI exists.
The danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads. Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous.
Tonight, we're taking a deep dive into the world of AI.
Our AI industry being bigger than the automobile industry.
Is your job, my job, at risk?
Could she turn on us? I mean, if she got smart enough that she was doing her own thing, is that possible?
You see, that's the scary smile she just gave then.
I try to convince people to slow down AI, to regulate AI. I tried for years.
This seems like a scene in a movie where the robots are gonna fucking take over and you're freaking me out. Nobody listened.
Nobody listened.
No one.
Hello, and welcome to BeyondAI. This video is a compilation of some of the best documentaries on AI, serving as an introduction to our 6-part AI series, which will take you on a journey from the ancient origins of the field of artificial intelligence to the birth of modern-day AI. The reason we wanted to do this is to give further context in how the field of AI has evolved over the period of time, the prominent groups and figures responsible for it, and most importantly, so we can truly appreciate the remarkable progress in technology that we often take for granted. Enjoy this documentary, consider subscribing, and let us know your thoughts on this subject matter in the comments section down below.
Good evening. I'm David Wayne, and as all of you are, I'm concerned with the world in which we're going to live tomorrow. A world in which a new machine, the digital computer, may be of even greater importance than the atomic bomb. Can machines really think? Even the scientists argue that one.
This is David Wayne, an American actor who is talking about artificial intelligence in the movie called The Thinking Machine. This movie was filmed in 1961 and is probably one of the best documentaries on artificial intelligence. The idea of robots and artificial intelligence has been around for over 100 years. It's absolutely fascinating to see how people back in the 19th century had such forward-thinking minds. They could actually imagine how machines would progress and eventually turn into intelligent robots. Now, before we move any further, let's watch a small clip from this documentary.
The Thinking Machine, starring David Wayne. In a moment, that story.
With me tonight is Professor Jerome B. Wiesner, Director of the Research Laboratory of Electronics at MIT. Dr. Wiesner, what really worries me today is what's going to happen to us if machines can think. And what interests me specifically is, can they?
Well, that's a very hard question to answer. If you'd asked me that question just a few years ago, I'd have said it was very far-fetched. And today I just have to admit I don't really know. I suspect if you come back in 4 or 5 years, I'll say, sure, they really do think.
Well, if you're confused, Doctor, how do you think I feel? Professor Wiesner, I don't think I have to tell you that the conception of the robot, a thinking machine, has been man's dream for centuries, also his nightmare. Of course, up until recently, the exploitation of that dream has been largely in the hands of science fiction writers and my colleagues in the motion picture industry. You remember a great robot in the silent film Metropolis?
No, I don't think I ever saw that one.
Well, I'd like you to see that.
It'd be very nice.
Okay, Charlie, roll them.
What you just saw is a short clip from the movie called Metropolis, which was filmed in 1927. Even in the early 19th century, they already had this incredible concept of robots and the remarkable world of artificial intelligence. Over a century ago, those visionary filmmakers showcased a future that we now get to experience firsthand. We are living in the era that they once dreamed of. The dreams of those early visionaries are unfolding right before our eyes, and it's absolutely incredible. Now let's understand what exactly artificial intelligence is and how people in the 90s started their journey with AI. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that focuses on creating smart machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. In simple words, AI is all about building computer programs or systems that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans do. Probably much better than humans. A perfect example of what artificial intelligence is capable of is demonstrated by a company called Tesla. A cutting-edge technology and innovation used in self-driving cars is just the beginning of what AI can do. With Tesla's AI-powered vehicles, not only do they provide a safer and more efficient driving experience, but they also showcase the power and potential of AI that will transform various industries in the future. Now let's dive a little deep and understand the incredible capabilities of AI and how it can learn and improve itself without any human assistance. Tesla, known for its innovative electric vehicles, has taken AI to new heights. Through its vast fleet of cars, Tesla collects an enormous amount of data from millions of vehicles around the globe. This data is then processed in Tesla's advanced machine learning systems, which analyze and extract valuable insights from real-world driving scenarios. These algorithms helps Tesla understand how drivers interact with the vehicle, how the car responds to different situations, and even how accidents occur. Using this extensive database, Tesla's team of engineers continually works on updating their software to provide a much better driving experience for their customers. One remarkable aspect of Tesla's AI is its ability to record accidents. When an incident occurs, the car's onboard systems capture relevant data, such as sensor readings, camera footage, and even the actions taken by the driver. This data is then analyzed to determine the cause and nature of the accident. Tesla's AI learns from these incidents, identifying patterns and making adjustments to prevent similar accidents from happening in the future. By continuously improving their software, Tesla's AI enhances the safety features of their vehicles. For example, if the AI detects a potential hazard that led to an accident before, it can proactively alert the driver or even autonomously take corrective actions. Let's take a look at a few incidents where the autopilot in Tesla took control and prevented the car from crashing. This is a blue Tesla Model 3 waiting at a stoplight. When the light turns green, all cars starts accelerating except we see the Tesla autopilot automatically engages brakes just in time, nearly missing the vehicle that comes barreling into the intersection. Now this incident happened in California. Some vehicle that were in front stopped abruptly, causing Brian and two other drivers behind him to also slam on their brakes. Brian later said it was crazy that when he went to smash the brake pedal, he discovered that it was already down. Autopilot had engaged automatic emergency braking. All Brian had to do was small steering adjustment to avoid hitting a vehicle. This next clip is truly fascinating. In this footage, the SUV on the right slams into the car in front. However, two cars ahead. You'll notice a white Tesla Model X automatically accelerated to avoid the collision. In the early 19th century, the concept of artificial intelligence as we understand it today did not exist. However, the concept of developing machines capable of mimicking human intelligence has a history that goes back even further. Having said that, it's important to note that AI research has been a collaborative effort involving many researchers and scientists over the year. Some of the main individuals who made significant contributions to the development of artificial intelligence are Charles Babbage, Ada Lovelace, Alan Turing, John McCarthy, Demis Hassabis, Geoffrey Hinton, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Elon Musk. These are just a few of the main contributors in the field of artificial intelligence. Their groundbreaking work has paved the way for the advancements that we see today. As we explore the fascinating history of artificial intelligence, it's important to acknowledge the contribution made by those pioneers in the 19th century that led to the development of ChatGPT that we see today. Let's have a look at a clip from the movie The Thinking Machine, which provides a glimpse for the future of OpenAI.
You mean, Professor, that I am somewhat programmed? In other words, that there are rules built into me that make me react sometimes similarly to a machine?
Yes, and you and everyone else.
Well, I think I'm beginning to get your point. I am born with certain rules built into me. But I think I can think. That is, I say I can think. Therefore, I shouldn't be too upset when a machine thinks just because it has rules built into it by man.
Well, that's logical, isn't it?
Well, can you show me where a computer can do anything original? I think that might help to convince me.
Well, it depends an awful lot on what you mean by original. Would you regard writing a television western as being original?
Now, do I have to answer that? What do you mean to tell me that a computer can really write a play?
Well, we can write pretty good plays. Sure, and I'll show you. It won't be as good as Shakespeare, but it'll be better than a lot of the westerns you look at. I suspect by now you've seen enough of computers in action. So let's just watch the computer print out its play. That's Harrison Morse, who did most of the work on this computer program.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. If that computer ever learns to act, I'll tear its transistors out by the roots. You know, that's as close to magic as anything I've ever seen, Doctor.
As you just saw, people in the 19th century used computers to write plays. But today, we have advanced AI systems like ChatGPT that can do so much more than just writing a play. The next generation of this technology will be even more advanced. We are standing at the edge of a new era, where the advancements in technology and AI will be nothing short of monumental. Artificial intelligence will tap into almost every single industry, transforming the way we work and live. This will lead to mass unemployment. People would be forced to find alternative ways to make money, and many will turn to the digital world. And when that happens, mark my words, this will result in a significant increase in the output of both digital and physical products and services. As more people enter the online marketplace, the price of goods and services will naturally decrease due to high competition. Everyone will try to sell their product or service cheaper than the competitors. Consumers will have access to more affordable options, and businesses will need to find innovative ways to stay competitive and differentiate themselves beyond just the price. The key takeaway here is that we are about to witness a transformative period in the history of humanity. This era represents a golden opportunity for every single individual to thrive and flourish. It's essential to keep ourselves prepared for the opportunities and challenges that lies ahead. Imagine your city has a brand new bullet train, ready for all the citizens to hop on board. It will take you to a rich and peaceful place where you can live your whole life. But there's a catch. If you don't hop on the train now, it will be too late and the next train might not come. What would you do? It is safe to assume that you will hop on the train as quick as possible. The same goes for the AI revolution. If you don't acquire the skills and experience needed to thrive in this era, you will miss out on a one-of-a-lifetime opportunity. And soon you will see thousands of new business and services generating millions of dollars every month, and you sitting there hoping that I wish I could start earlier. Here, at BeyondAI, we are committed to equip you with all the necessary tools and knowledge that you will need, not just to survive, but to thrive in the face of the impending apocalypse. This whole year, We are committed to provide you a roadmap that anyone over the age of 12 can follow along and start earning a monthly income right away. While we can't guarantee millions of dollars right off the bat, but making a decent monthly income is easily achievable. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection, and that's it. Here's what you can expect from us. Courses. We will be offering comprehensive training on AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Midjourney, Copy, and almost all the major AI tools. These tools are game changers across industries from creative writing to problem solving. We will teach you how to tap into their power and apply them to your own projects. Books and PDFs. Step-by-step templates to help you make your first $10,000. By following our template, earning $10,000 a month is inevitable. AI tool hacks to boost your workflow. Informative YouTube videos discussing AI and how to utilize it for earning money. Exclusive access to our first AI tool. Every course participant will have early access before it goes public. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed and found value in the information we shared, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Make sure you watch the whole series and join us on this exciting journey as we explore the limitless possibilities of AI and discover how we all can leverage this technology to thrive in the new age of automation. The future is here, and together we'll go beyond AI.